Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are giving you an update on the Ascent project. Now as you can see, nothing has really started on this project yet. It was announced in February of this year, February 2023, that they received all the approvals and we're going to start construction. But as you can see, they cleared the land, removed the structures that were on it. The section we're looking at now was actually a parking lot, so they dug up the parking lot area. And then over here, I think a building was here and they removed it. But they haven't started actual construction of the structure yet. So where you see those containers with the gate, that's another section, and then behind the fence is another section. So the property goes all the way up to that green building on the right. I'm not sure what's going on. I've heard different stories. We don't have anything concrete. We spoke to somebody on the site and they said that it's the same contractor that's doing One Belmont, and when One Belmont is finished, they will come over and do this one. But One Belmont is almost finished. It has reached the height. Meaning it's 9 floors. They've reached 9 floors. The roof has gone on. I'm not sure. We've heard another take that Ascent is actually going to be taller than what it was approved for. So they got approved for 27 floors, but they want to make it bigger and they're going up to 41 floors or taller than 27. So they had to get an additional, or they had to get approval again for the other structure, but I'm not sure. That's just what you hear going around. I'm not sure exactly what's going on, but what we're sure about is that between February of this year and this is now October, this is all that has been done. So we will keep you guys updated. And if anybody knows anything as to what's going on with this structure, let us know. Now this building is very important because it's going to be the tallest building in Jamaica when finished. Currently, the Rogers at 20 floors. The Rogers has reached 20 floors now. The roof is actually on, so the Rogers is officially the tallest building in Jamaica. It took over from the Pegasus at 17 floors. But this building, when approved in February, was 27 floors. So the Ascent will be the tallest building in Jamaica. And based on the pictures we have seen, it's going to be a very nice building. Now look at that building straight in front of us, and then look at the One Belmont to the left. You see the difference in design? Now the One Belmont, that's it there on the right. Very nice building, very artistic. It's a modern building that has been built within the last 2-3 years. The building I showed you at the beginning or a little earlier, is the NCB Towers. I think that building was built in the 1970s. So you see how far this architecture basically has come. So the Ascent is going to be a wonderful building. So we can't wait for it to be built, but they need to get started. I'm not sure what's going on. I don't know if it's funding. I have no idea. But One Belmont is 9 floors, fully booked out. They haven't finished construction. It's not officially opened and it's fully booked out. So there is a demand for office space in Jamaica. So it's not that there's a slowdown or anything, but we'll keep you guys updated. We're going to give you an update every 2 weeks just to see what's going on. Or we'll probably do it every 2 weeks. And we'll also keep you updated on the One Belmont. We put up a video last week, so we'll put up another one this week. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us. We are on Oxford Road and we're going to go into New Kingston. Now that's the Pegasus on the right, and that used to be the tallest building in Jamaica at 17 floors. We probably can see the Rogers when we go into New Kingston, because at 20 floors you can see it from almost, well, not almost everywhere, but it can be seen. Is that it? No, that building on the left is the call center building. I think it's 10 floors. And straight ahead to the right is the Courtly. And then that tall white building used to be the Wyndham, and that would be, it was the 4th tallest building in Jamaica before the Rogers, so it's now the 5th tallest building. We'll go through a list of the tallest buildings, but that's the Pegasus, which is now the 2nd tallest building in Jamaica. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour. Enjoy the rest of the video. We're going to go back onto Oxford Road. Alright guys, have a good day.